Hello guys, in last video I have discussed about how to publish HTML and JUnit report in Jenkins. In this video I am going to explain about how to trigger an email from Jenkins. So when Jenkins job is completing, then it should trigger one mail, and in mail we should see like our job fail or pass. So how can we configure? Okay, so let me start. Okay, open the Jenkins and click on manage Jenkins and then click on configure system. When you click on configure system, just scroll it down and you will see one option, email notification. So here we need to set up few things. First, SMTP server. So as I'm using Gmail, so I need to provide here SMTP server of Gmail, and this is one email ID I have created for this demo purpose. Okay, so let me copy this. So Gmail SMTP server is smtp.gmail.com, and now click on advanced. When you click on advanced, click on use SMTP. When you will click on SMTP, it will ask username and password. Let me type the email ID, automation champions@gmail.com. Okay, and now let me type password. Okay, now scroll it down. Now select this option, use SSL and SMTP port. SMTP port is 465. Now check this option, test confirmation by sending test email. Type your email ID. So let me type my email ID, and when I click here, right, so it should send one email. Let's see. So this is a testing. If all details are correct, then we should receive an email. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, I made a mistake in the username and just I corrected. Okay, so let me click on apply and save, and now let me go it again, and now click on advanced. Now click on test configuration and add the email ID again. Now click on test configuration. So now we can see here email was successfully sent. So let me open my Gmail, and here we can see here. Okay, this is test email to send from Jenkins. Alright, so our configuration is correct. Okay, now click on apply and save. Now go to again manage Jenkins, open configure system. We have set this detail email notification. Now we need to set this information here, extended email notification. Now this details we need to fill. Before filling, we should know the two things that is very important. The email ID which you are using, that should allow less secure app, and that option should be checked, and that email ID should not have two-factor authentication. Okay, so better use some new email ID when you are testing this feature, because in personal email ID definitely everyone having two-factor authentication. About this option, let me tell you how to do it. Go to Google and search allow secure apps. So open first link. When you open first link, then here you can see if less secure app access, just click on here, access this page, and here you can see here it's already checked. Okay, so first time it will be by default off. Alright, and this email ID don't have two-factor authentication. Now let me fill this detail, SMTP server, smtp.gmail.com, and port 465. Now click on advanced. Now type SMTP username. This is the username. Now let me type password. Okay. Now click on use SSL. Now scroll it down, and Default subject, I am not going to change anything because this is the default. It will read the project name and build number and build status. These are the environment variable. So if you want to know more details, go to Google and search Jenkins variable list and open any link. So I have opened this one, and here you can see a build underscore number. This will give current build number. Build underscore id, this will give build id, and job underscore name, it will give the project name. All right. So for more information, just go to Google and read about those environment variables. And default content, this is the details which we will receive in the body. One more thing, here you can see default content. So I am going to choose HTML. Okay. And if you scroll it down, default recipient, so here you can add any group. Okay, reply to list, so those things I am just keeping blank. And now scroll it down, and here you can see one option, default trigger. Just click here, this is very important. So by default we can say it is checked on fail. If anything fail, then mail should trigger. I am going to uncheck this and I am going to click on always. So report should send always. Now click on apply and click on save. So this part is clear. So all the settings whatever we have done at global level, that is done. Now this we can use in any job. So let me go to my job. This is the Postman, and it's Postman. Go to configure and go to post build action, and in post build action just scroll it down, and here you can choose the option. Just click here, add push build action, and click edit table email notification. Just select this option. When you select this option, it will ask first project from. You can give any name. So let me give automation champions and default recipients. So this I have kept blank. So let me give here my email ID proper. Okay. So I want to receive mail to this email ID. Default content type, let me select HTML, text HTML. Now default subject, I am not changing anything. Default content, I am not changing anything. And attachment, I'll discuss later about this. And now click on advanced setting, and in advanced setting we are getting two lists, one developer and recipient list. So developer I am removing here, and recipient list I have added only one email ID here. If you see here at above, right? So the mail will send to this email ID. Let me click on apply. Now click on save. Now let me click on build now, and let me open the console logs, and here job is running, we can see here. And here we can see here the message, sending email to automationchampions@gmail.com, and we can see here finish success. The mail has been sent. So let me open the email ID. So here we can see here I have received the mail, postman bill 3320 successful, and here I am getting the link. So let me open this. Okay, so it is asking the password. I am in different browser. Okay, it's localhost. All right, and here we can see here the test result. Okay, automatically we can see the report. And if I go to the history, this is the history. And if I go to postman HTML report, all right, and in the mail it is automatically being successful. If any test case fail, then we will see here something different. Okay, now let me talk about if I want to customize anything, like if I want to update the subject, how to do it. Go to the job, go to manage Jenkins first, and configure system, and here we can see default subject, right? So if I want to add, it will pick first postman, and let me add automation report. So last time what we have received postman, now this time we will see like postman automation report. Okay, and let me add, please note that this is an automated mail. Okay, click on apply, click on save. Now let me trigger the job. Postman build now. Okay, let's see. The job is running, we can see here. Now it's success. So let me go to my inbox. Okay, I have received the mail. Postman automation report. Okay, it's looking very good right now. Postman automation report, and this is the build and successful. Let me open. And now here we can see here the message. Please note that this is an automated mail. Alright, so this is how we can customize. If I talk about if this mail is going to your higher management, and higher management, they don't have time to open this, right? Now they have to log in. Okay, so many things are there, they need to take some permission. So what they want the report should be attached. So if they want to open, right, or how many test cases ran, if anything failing, so they can track in the report. So how to add that report as well in Jenkins? We can see here one emailable report is generating like HTML report. It is from Newman. How can we add this report? In order to add this report, what you need to do? Go to dashboard, go to your job Postman, go to configure, and now go to post build action. And in post build action, just scroll it down, and here editable email notification. Okay, so if you see here, there would be an option for attachment. Okay, here attachment. And so this is the option. This will take file from the workspace. In my workspace we are generating one file. So if you go it above, so this is the file it is generating in workspace, Newman underscore html underscore report. So just add this name, simple. Okay, so this time we will see this report will be add. So now I am clicking on build now. So one HTML report, it will be add in the attachment. We will open the mail. Okay, it's completed. Now let me go to mail. Okay, the one report has been received. Okay, so let me open, and here you can see this is one attachment. So let me download it. Okay, so it downloaded. Let me click on open, and here you can see here. So this is how we can attach the report. Alright guys, that's what I want to cover in this session. If you are having any question and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have any other suggestion, just write in the comment section or send me the mail. Thanks for the watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.